The Radco roll-up is our best value truck bed cover. The arched tailgate design with our premium matte black woven fabric adds a stylish look that improves the appearance of your truck. Unlike vinyl, our exclusive woven fabric is dirt and dust resistant. The Radco roll-up cover installs with ease and in minutes. First, take out the rails and place them inside the truck bed. Next, install the seal at the front of the bulkhead. To secure the side rail of the cover to the bed rail of the truck, hold the cover up snug to the front of the truck, then tighten down the side clamps with a 1/2-inch socket on each side of the truck bed. Make sure you tighten all 4 of the clamps. Once you've tightened all 4 of the clamps on one of the side rails, just do the same on the other side. Tighten down all 4 of the clamps and make sure that it's tight up to the front of the truck on the rail. Once you have both rails secured to the truck, you can bring the cover up to the front of the truck and line the bolts up with the holes inside the rails. To secure the cover to the rails, tighten the lock nut and the washer on each side of the cover. After you've attached the cover to the rails, check the front seal and then roll it down to check your tension. Once you have the cover all the way rolled out, you can adjust the tension to make sure that it's tight enough on your truck bed. So if you're looking for a cover that looks great, saves gas, installs in minutes, and will last, the Radco roll-up woven black matte tonneau cover is just right for you. Stop on into Radco or visit us online at radco.com to get yours today.
Radco, your truck accessories pro.